Hello, good afternoon and welcome back to the channel. Right, today we are porcelain slabbing. Slabs are going down. We've put 4 down so far. We haven't got the best of bases because we're going off what was originally here. So plenty of concrete. It's a good base to say. It's concrete down, so it's a good base to go off. So it's going to be roughly 20-30 mil higher than the original slabbing, which is okay because we've got nothing else to go to. So yeah, let's talk about these clips. We've got these beauties. As you can tell, slab, these are just clipping like so. I don't know if you can see that, but if you show you down here, probably a little bit better. These hold these really flush. As you can tell by the level, there's no gaps underneath them whatsoever. Bang on level, and they're actually really easy to use. So yeah, it's pretty good. Let's talk about.
So just show them. Just show them how they clip under there.
Yeah, you can do that. This, all you do with that is literally just put that underneath there. The next slab goes up tight, and all you do is clip it in and then tighten it up, and it just pulls both the slabs bang on level. So there's none of this. There's no lips. There's no nothing. So it's absolutely it's nice. It's good stuff. So yeah, we'll have a little walk around to see what we've got to do. Don't know whether you can see it, but we've got a curve we've got to follow here. That's what the customer wants. He wants a blue brick edge, something like this, but not quite like this. So we're still in discussions over this. So. And we've got one man on cover. We've got 2 ramps to do, but we'll talk about that further as we go on. So what we'll probably end up doing is put you on time lapse, and you can watch his work instead of watching my work for a change. So yeah, see you in a bit. Morning guys, well it is morning. It's the next day from when we started doing this slabbing job. We've cracked on a little bit yesterday. The reason we stopped filming, and it was very dark. 4 o'clock, it's end of game really, innit? So right, let me just show you where we're at. Got Lewis on the trail over there, look. The reason we've left this gap here is because we are putting a ramp up to the doors when they go in, and we're not 100% sure the height of the sill that's going on. So we're going to leave this for now, and yeah, it'd be easier for us to do it when it's when the sill and frame's all in. Cutting station. Steve's on all the marking out, cutting. Got the slurry mix there. Steve's happy. So that's where we're at right now. Yeah, that's where we're at right now. So yeah, we'll put you on time lapse and get back to you in a bit.
Right, as you can see, what a massive task that's been. So again, something's happened with the recordings and stuff, but you know, got some gremlins, so we're going to need some help. So if anyone does know what they're doing with this, then leave it in the comments below. So as you've seen, it's a massive undertaking for the lads, sorting all that porcelain slabs, absolutely beautiful finish, which you're now looking at. With the ramps and stuff, we need to get them straight up to the doors and things like that for disability access. So they're a challenge in themselves. So obviously once it's all grouted and finished with all the edges, what a beautiful transformation it is. Sometimes we forget how far these jobs come, and this is a classic example. So like I say, I'll leave it on that note. So if you have enjoyed this, do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Links in the corner, and yeah, leave a thumbs up, and we shall catch you later. Cheers guys, see you soon.